In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate to Google Analytics 4. We're going to set up a brand new GA4 property so you can start collecting data in the latest version of Google Analytics. Begin by opening analytics.google.com and sign in if you're prompted. If you manage multiple analytics accounts, make sure you have the correct account selected before proceeding so your new property ends up in the right place. Now, look for the admin area, which you'll find via the gear icon in the lower left corner of the screen. In the admin panel, choose Create, then select Property. This creates a new GA4 property and does not remove or overwrite any existing Universal Analytics setup you might still have. They can coexist, which is helpful during a transition period. Enter a clear, consistent property name. A descriptive name, such as including your brand and GA4, will help you and teammates identify it later. Next, select your reporting time zone. This setting controls when your days start and end in reports, so pick the time zone where your team operates or where most of your reporting is based. After that, choose your currency. This affects how revenue and monetary values are displayed. You can change it later, but it's easiest to get it right now. Click Next to continue. You'll be asked for an industry category. Choose the one that best matches your business. It helps with benchmarking and relevant defaults. Then select your business size. Don't overthink it. This mainly tailors recommendations. Click Next again. Choose your business objectives. These help GA4 surface the most relevant reports and onboarding tips. Pick what aligns with your goals, such as lead generation, online sales, or brand awareness, and then click Create. Your GA4 property is now live. Finally, set up data collection. You'll be guided to create a data stream. For most websites, choose Web, add your site's URL and a clear stream name, and create the stream. GA4 will show you options to add the tag to your site, either by installing the Google tag directly in your site's code or by using a tag manager. Follow the on-screen instructions for your setup. Once the tag is in place, use the real-time report or debug view to confirm that events are arriving. It can take a few minutes for data to appear and up to 24 hours for some reports to populate. That's it. You've created a GA4 property, set your key settings, and started data collection. Let it run alongside any legacy setup so you can compare and feel confident before fully switching over.